Should you buy gold or silver now? And if yes, then how much? Let's start with looking at some numbers. So last year, gold gave around 19% return. The highest return was around 29% and it saw one correction of around 8%. But silver, on the other hand, gave a total return last year of 17%. But the maximum return it gave was of 42%. But then it saw two corrections of 10% each. So overall, silver was way more volatile, and historically also that has been the case. And if you look at the data of the past 24 years, then gold CAGR has been around 11.8%, whereas silver CAGR is 10%. So if you look at the returns in the last 1 year, they've actually been way above average. But even then, because of global uncertainty and industrial demand of silver, the outlook still remains positive for both of them, and hence I would be buying them on dip. But what about long term? How much allocation should we have towards gold and silver to minimize volatility and get the highest return? Now, a study was done of over 5,000 portfolios with different allocations toward gold, silver and Nifty, and the portfolio which had the highest return while minimizing volatility was 62% gold, 35% Nifty and just 3% silver. Surprising, isn't it? But the volatility and deep correction in silver actually make a case against investing in it for the very long term. Hope this helps.